Hey Power Kids, how's it going? It's Mr. Steven here, and I'm going to show you a cool science trick you can do while you're cooped up at home. Now, I'm sure many of you enjoy the science fair at school. Well, I have a science trick right here. We have Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, and Pepsi Zero. Each of these has a different, just different stages, right? So Pepsi, all normal, just classic soda, right? Diet Pepsi, same thing, but it doesn't have calories. And then Pepsi Zero has no calories or sugar. So I'm gonna show you what happens when you pour 10 of these Mentos into each of these 2 liters and see what kind of reaction you get and if the reaction differs from each 2 liter. Okay, you with me? Awesome. We're gonna start off here with our regular Pepsi. Now my hypothesis is that the reaction for this one will be the most because it's all natural compared to these that have taken out the calories and sugar. So step 1, open it up. May fizz a little bit, but you'll get to it. Do it over here. Now, you're gonna have to do this fast. Saved it. Now, okay, once I do this, okay. Ready, set, and now this is what we get from Pepsi. Now let's see what happens when we try the other 2. Now, here you take your second one, your Diet Pepsi. Give that a good turn. Hear that nice hissing noise. So I'm gonna take these 10 Mentos and I'm gonna try and get them in, see if this one gets any bigger. And we're losing some. Now, that one looks to be a little more consistent than the regular Pepsi, which started off kind of, boring. So, this is what we have for Diet Pepsi. Now let's move on to Pepsi Zero. Here we go. Third and final one. Let's see if this makes a difference. Remember, this is Pepsi Zero, which means no calories, no sugar. Take your 10 Mentos. Some will probably spill out, but that's okay. Whoa there! Now it looks like my hypothesis was wrong. As you can see, I was proven wrong. My hypothesis was that the regular Pepsi would do the most fizzing and the exploding, but really it was the Pepsi Zero. So now you kids know what's going to happen at home, but you can try this out for yourself. And if you want to change the variables a bit, you can get more Mentos, you can get bigger Mentos, you can get smaller bottles of pop, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you keep a nice, safe, clean environment and have fun.